Hello everyone, welcome to the home of African names. Today we have a fun game for you. We have a game of this or that, where we choose our favorite name from a pair of names that have similar meaning. Without further ado, let's play. Our first pair for today is Akhani and Yakhani. They both mean build or create. Which one do you like the most? Akhani or Yakhani? Our second pair is Sakhile and Sakhele. These two names sound very similar, but they have different meanings. Sakhile means we have built, while Sakhele means build for us. Our third pair for today is Sakhiwe and Masakhane. Sakhiwe means we have been built. Masakhane means let us build each other. Which one do you like the most? Sakhiwe or Masakhane? Moving on to our last pair for today, we have Akhumzi and Yakhumzi. They both mean build the home. We also have a bonus name for you. We have Sakhumzi, which means we are building a home. Did you like any of the names that we shared today? If you did, please do drop a comment and let us know.